Welcome to day 2 of Let It Flow, a mini 3-day meditative watercolor painting retreat. Today we're going to practice blooming circles, exploring blooms and flows. So settle in. Let's take 3 grounding breaths after we get ourselves comfortable. I like to close my eyes, bring me to the present moment. You can place your hand on your heart or open, palms up, on your table or on your lap. Take a deep breath in and exhale that which is behind you. Take a deep breath in and exhale that which is in the future. Take a deep breath in and exhale into the present moment. Release something that you're holding on to, some shoulder stress, something on your mind. Allow your shoulders to drop from your ears. Feel your back relax. Settle into the moment. Color doesn't ask permission to bloom. It simply meets the water, open, and becomes. I'm starting with just clean water on my paper, making little circles. Nothing special. And then I'm going to pick up some colors. I invite you to think about a calming color, something that you really enjoy being around. I always drift towards blues. I love the ideas of the ocean, of the sky, of expansiveness, of water. Maybe you resonate with pinks or greens. Maybe it's reds. There's no right or wrong answer, but you'll want 2 colors because you're going to want them to bloom and flow together. You may even invite a 3rd color into the party. But just using your water, a little bit of breath, explore what happens when you let those colors blend together. What happens if you put a lot of pigment on dry paper, blend them together in wet paper? Let the colors bloom and don't feel concerned about the outcome. It's just a beautiful exploration. How do they move around? Are there combinations you like the results of? There's no pressure here. You can do this with just a few minutes each day. Breathing deep, letting the color move, watching the colors flow, and relaxing into the present moment. The repetition becomes a ritual. The marks have their own movements. And there's nothing more pressing than simply being present. As you finish, smile. Thank yourself for taking this moment of calm and let this energy bloom through you. As we prepare for our last retreat tomorrow, think about the sky. Do you ever notice the sunrise or the sunset? Take a look at the colors as the sun goes across that horizon. Until tomorrow.